So to answer everybody's question on how do I extend the exhaust pipe of the generator outside of the enclosure, the answer is I weld on an adapter. It's actually pretty simple to do. For this 12,000 series, you just remove the muffler, and on this one it's a 1.5 by 1 inch coupling. You can pick that up at Home Depot or any hardware store, and then just weld it on, and I also put some paint on there to make it match. And then I use an aluminum threaded pipe, and it screws right in. You could also use a metal flexible exhaust hose, whatever is easier for you.